Okay. Hi, my name is Russ Newton. I'm with AI Media, and we're here at the wonderful ISE 2025 in Barcelona, beautiful Barcelona. Today I just wanted to introduce our company. AI Media is grown out of the supporting accessibility in broadcast and now into the AV space. We have a feature really of our LEXI toolkit. Our LEXI toolkit is an extension of our infrastructure and our encoders that permits the live workflows for captioning using AI. And then on top of captioning, we also have translation to upwards of 90 languages. And so we can do that in an automated fashion, and we're dominant in the broadcast space, which is heavily regulated for accuracy. And so our new feature, our new addition to the LEXI toolkit, we're revealing at this show, is LEXI Voice, and that is the application of a synthetic voice layer on top of our translation, which will allow us to take an input language and then output to many different languages with a synthetic audio track to be reinserted into the media stream. And so this would be very powerful at the end of the day to kind of bring ubiquity of language at the end of the day. So the major drive in market for us is support of accessibility with the European Accessibility Act, but the benefit beyond that is supporting multi-language translation. So we'd love to come visit us. We'd love to meet you. We're at 4G 500 at the show here, and otherwise you can visit us at our website at www.ai-media.tv. And we look forward to meeting you. Thank you.